Today I'd like to talk about Meta AI and how you can use it in your crafting projects. Welcome to my crafting channel. I'm Alana from Upcycling NZ. The image that I've used today for my intro is AI generated. You're going to need a Facebook account to do this. So here's my Facebook account, Upcycling NZ, and I am on my home page. Click on the plus button at the top of the page. Then select Post. Click on the first option, Imagine with AI. Next we're going to go to Describe an Image. So I want some ideas for a crafting project where I have some glass jars, chalk paint and vintage stamps. So in the description I've used as much detail as possible. Glass jars painted in chalk paint with vintage labels. Then click on the little blue arrow and Meta will give you 4 results. If you were to enter the exact same search again, you'll get 4 different results. And now using these images as inspiration, I can decide if I'm going to stamp onto paper first, then add the labels, what colour I want to paint my jars. And by adding just one more word to the search bar, I can narrow down even further. For example, I've used the word white and got this result. I changed the word white to coloured and got this result. And I added the words air dry clay to the vintage labels to get this result. Choose your favourite image and click on it and you'll be brought to this editing screen. You can crop your picture down. You can change the tone of your image. Add some bling, do a border surround, change the lighting, add some text and an awful lot more. I've selected this image and I want to save it into my photos. So I'm going to the settings icon, clicking on that, then select save and it'll save it into your photos folder. Then to exit out of Facebook, because I don't want to post this, just click on the X at the top and then the X on the next screen and select discard post. Now let's get into the down and dirty side of AI and the use of it in social media. I do not condone using AI images and representing them as your own work. However, if you've clearly labelled your image as an AI image, I'm not against that. I do have a huge ethical problem with people using AI to generate people and have them say and do things that they have not done or said. So that's my 2 cents worth and just a personal opinion. The AI generated images you're seeing at the moment I used in my last crafting video, and I used them to talk about the history behind Druids and Druid staffs because I was making Druid staffs in my video. I'll add a link to that in my description box and an end screen if you'd like to watch that.